Meaning of line out.
Line out.
Line out.
Line out.
Line out. Line out refers to an audio output signal that is designed to be connected to a separate audio system or speakers. It is typically found on audio devices such as CD players, sound cards, and home theater systems. The line-out signal is a low-level, high-impedance signal that carries a preamplified audio signal, allowing it to be sent to a separate amplifier or receiver for amplification and playback through speakers. Line-out is commonly used in the music industry for recording and live performances, as well as in home audio systems for connecting to external speakers.